Hey friends, welcome to the Bobilon YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make half double crochet. It is one of the most essential stitches in crochet. Crochet 2 turning chains. Now yarn over, skip those 2 turning chains, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. This completes one half double crochet stitch. This stitch is widely used in many crochet projects because it works up quickly while still providing structure and flexibility. It is especially popular for bags, baskets, garments, and home decor items. For a neat and even result, keep your tension consistent and make sure not to tighten the loops too much when pulling through all 3 loops. Mastering this stitch will give you a strong foundation for many crochet patterns and help you progress to more advanced techniques. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!